A breathtaking, modern, minimalist tropical house with exposed matte finish brick walls and wooden accents made from rich, dark ulin wood, surrounded by a beautifully landscaped garden with lush greenery and vibrant tropical flowers. Creating a serene ambience. The front façade of the house boasts a sleek, clean-lined design with large windows and sliding glass doors that blend seamlessly into the exterior, allowing for an abundance of natural light to pour in. The brick walls are adorned with climbing plants, adding a touch of whimsy and romance to the overall design. A small, elegant wooden door with a minimalist door handle serves as the main entrance, flanked by two sleek, cylindrical pillars. The exterior walls are painted a warm, earthy beige color, complemented by the deep brown tones of the ulin wood accents, creating a harmonious blend of natural materials.